So while I was experimenting with some new AI tools this week, I stumbled into something that honestly surprised me: how fast you can take a simple image and turn it into a full animated character. And today I'm going to walk you through exactly how that works. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel, where I make smart tutorials. In this video we're going to build a character from scratch, animate it, give it a voice, and even restyle the entire video with just a few clicks. It's a fun process, it looks incredible, and it shows just how far these tools have come. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Alright, let's dive in. Okay guys, let's check out Domo, a powerful platform for creating videos and images with AI. It's a simple, beginner-friendly tool, but it's also great for professionals. You can use it to make social media content, animate characters, generate videos, and a lot more. One of the biggest advantages of this tool is how easy it is to use, especially if you like anime or original character designs. In this video, we'll create a character from scratch and go all the way from a static image to a fully animated video with voice. First, let's generate our character's image, folks. We'll use the AI image tool for this. I'll start with this prompt, this character concept, and the FXV1 model. It works well for anime-style images, though there are other models you can pick from too. There are upgraded models for detailed, high-quality anime and others for realistic images, dark gothic styles, or enhanced illustration with cosmic elements. For this demo, my friends, I am choosing enhanced anime for a richer, more polished anime look. I am also pressing the AI Optimize button, so the system can adjust the prompt automatically. Here's the improved version. I'll set the ratio to 16:9 for a YouTube format, then select the image option. You can also switch to relax mode just to see how it turns out. And I'm checking the watermark box so the final image comes without a watermark. After that, we create the task and wait for the result. Perfect, our character is ready, guys. Mine turned out as a bright anime character with purple hair and striking blue eyes. The enhanced anime model handled the details really well. The hair looks dynamic and the whole composition feels energetic. The platform instantly generated several variations, and you can pick the one you like best. I'll choose this one for the next steps. I can download it or save it to my assets for future work. I can even run an upscale to get higher quality details. I've sent it to upscale. Now we go to the video section and choose image to video. This is Domo's main tool for bringing images to life, folks. From our assets, we pick the image we just generated. Then we select the faster model. It's the updated version that generates faster with better quality. We can also choose the advanced one. Let's go with that version, guys, because it gives a much stronger, more polished video result. This model is perfect for precise, complex scenes and for creating videos with AI. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! I'll type in a prompt that adds movement, the hair blowing in the wind, a small head tilt, and a smooth camera pushing with cinematic lighting. I'll set the video duration to 10 seconds. For the character, we'll choose auto so it automatically detects it from the image. I'll also turn on the no watermark option. Let's generate the clip and wait for the result, guys. Here we go. And it looks great. The character comes to life, the hair moves naturally, and the camera motion is super smooth. This smart tool creates animation that looks realistic and professional. But we're not done yet, folks. Now we'll add the most impressive part, making the character talk. I'll go to the Talking Avatar section and choose the video from our assets. We also need audio, which we can generate in the text-to-speech section. We can pick a voice. I'll choose the voice named Mia. First, I'll generate the audio. Then we'll add it to our assets and give it a listen.
Hey there. I'm Luna, your AI companion. Domo AI brought me to life with just a few clicks. Pretty amazing, right? You can create your own characters too and make them move, talk, and express emotions naturally.
So as you can hear, guys, This is a character named Luna who tells us about the capabilities of this Domo tool. Let me give this animated avatar these additional instructions. Choose the length, let it be 10 seconds, and I'll go on and generate it. And here's the result.
Hey there. I'm Luna, your AI companion. Domo AI brought me to life with just a few clicks. Pretty amazing, right? You can create your own characters too and make them move, talk, and express emotions naturally.
Okay, folks, let's go to another tool they offer here, Video to Video. It can completely transform the video we generated into something completely different. I'll pick the previous video in the Assets section, and then I'll choose a style from many options available here. There are lots of anime templates. As you can see, I'll pick Sketch Anime to turn our video clip into a sketch. And guys, here's the result we got.
Hey there. I'm Luna, your AI companion. Domo AI brought me to life with just a few clicks. Pretty amazing, right? You can create your own characters too and make them move, talk, and express emotions naturally.
As you can see, the style of our video is completely different now. By the way, guys, Domo is constantly getting updates and new features, and they've just rolled out a pretty big one. Image editing powered by the Nano Banana Pro model based on Google Gemini 3. This new feature lets you combine multiple images into one scene using AI. Let's take a look at how it works. First, we upload 3 images: a photo of a girl, a pair of headphones, and a landscape where, in my idea, the girl should be running. I just describe all of that in the prompt. I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Mates, one of the best things about Domo AI is the relax mode. It doesn't use up your credits, so you can generate as much as you want without spending anything. We start the generation and wait for the result. And here it is, a really solid result. The landscape, the headphones, and the girl are all merged into one image. Everything looks nicely blended. We can save this image as an asset. Next, we switch to Image to Video and select the image we just generated from our assets. We describe what we want to see in motion, and here's the result. Nice light flares, natural movement, and the hair flowing exactly how we want it. After that, we can take this same video and use Video to Video to transform it into a completely different style. For example, anime or illustration. Let's try the anime mode. This is a totally different style compared to the realistic video we started with. And it's a great example of how flexible Domo AI really is. You can easily switch between realistic and stylized versions of the same content. Now let's wait, guys. Let's take a look. This is our full video with the girl, transformed into an anime style. Now comes the most interesting part, the talking feature. We're going to add a voice to our athlete using the Talking Avatar tool. This feature lets you automatically sync lips with almost any video. Guys, we're going to try a different approach. Instead of using a full-body generated clip, we'll take this close-up, half-body portrait image and turn it into a promo for our fitness program using the Talking Avatar feature. I'll prepare a short speech for the avatar. Here's the script we'll use. Next, we need to choose a voice. There are several options like Alice or Diana.
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today.
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today.
But the one that fits best for me is Mia.
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today.
So I select Mia and hit Generate. The task is created, and let's see what we get. Now, mates, I'll open our generated speech from the assets and give it a listen.
Hey. Just finished my morning run with the new Fit Pro AI training program.
The audio came out at 16 seconds, so I'll set the duration to 20 seconds to give it a little breathing room. For the prompt, I'll describe a friendly, energetic expression, a warm smile, motivational look, and positive vibe. Then send it to generation. And here's the result we've got.
Hey. Just finished my morning run with the new Fit Pro AI training program. It analyzes your pace, tracks your progress, and keeps you motivated every step of the way. Ready to transform your fitness journey? Try Fit Pro today.
Alright folks, that's the full process. We went from a basic idea to a complete animated character, image creation, animation, voice, and even a full style transformation. And the coolest part is how fast and easy it all feels once you get the hang of it. If you want to try this out for yourself, definitely give the tool a shot. It's fun, it's creative, and you might be surprised by how good your first results look. If you're excited to try it out, or if you have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and till next time.